Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today's quick tutorial how to take out and properly store your winter cover drop-in liner with a built-in coping. And yes, it's that time of the year, time to open up the pool. So in many municipalities, you're only given so much time to open up your pool. That's because stagnant water attracts mosquitoes, and we don't want that. So you're probably asking yourself, Jonah, what's that blue noodle hanging down your pool? Well, that's a good question. Well, that's because our dog Lola sometimes chases squirrels and field mice into the pool. And basically, it's their lifeline to climb out instead of drowning. And it does work. I've seen it happen. So the first thing I do is I drop in my submersible pump to suck out the green water. It doesn't look nice from here, but that's okay. What matters is what's underneath the winter cover. And all that bad water will be exiting through our hose and into the back of my open field. The next thing I do is use my pool brush to push the rest of that gunk into the corner so I can use a shop vac on it. Then I start to fill up the pool with water by inserting the hose between the winter cover. And turn off your water when it reaches above the jets. And I brush down the corners and edges with soap and water. And power washing the rest off. So once your pool cover is nice and clean, don't leave it overnight, because you wake up the next day and you see hundreds of potato bugs fall into your pool. Uh-oh, all that work. So you guessed it, I had to power wash it again. Now I take off my liner lock or bead lock. I have a few of these liner locks around the pool to keep the cover tight and locked into the channel, so the cover does not slip off during the winter months. Now, it's time to undo the winter cover from its coping and channel. Then we put away the stair cover. And then to one side of the pool, we have 2 or 3 people gently pull the cover 3 feet at a time, and then folding it over. And we do this as many times until the cover is out of the pool. And notice the pool is crystal clear. And if you want to know how to close your pool for the winter, check out my thumbnail link at the end of this video. Also, if for some reason your pool is green when you open it, also check out my thumbnail link at the end of this video to make your pool crystal clear once more. And once we put our winter cover into a container, we give ourselves a congratulatory elbow bump.
Ready?
Good job.
All right, good job, guys.
Just a big shout out to my brothers, Larnie, Lenduel, and Gerald, and my friend Paul. And check out the pool, crystal clear. Now I transport my heavy container into my DIY trolley. So it's important to keep your winter cover always wet, because you don't want it to become dry rot. Then I throw in about 3 to 4 liters of algicide. And fill the rest of the way up with water. now we put it away till September comes again. So if you liked my video and found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.